Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Randall and Rueff. I'm using Skype. This is going to be an echo sound test service trial, I guess. So let's try it and see what happens.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, this is Randall and Rueff. I'm trying out the new Skype. Hello, this is Randall and Rueff. I'm trying out the new Skype.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly.
Cool.
If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
Goodbye. And that is how you do that.